In the heart of Spain, there's a dish that doesn't just feed people, it gathers them. National Spanish Paella Day, celebrated on March 27th, is a tribute to that very tradition, where a single pan becomes the center of conversation, culture, and community. Paella was born in Valencia, originally cooked by farmers over open flames using whatever ingredients they had on hand. Over time, it evolved into something far more iconic, a global symbol of Spanish cuisine, recognized for its saffron-infused rice, vibrant seafood or meats, and that prized crispy layer known as socarrat. If you know, you know, and if you don't, someone at the table will make sure you learn quickly. What makes this day matter isn't just the flavor, it's the format. Paella isn't plated individually at first, it's shared. It invites people to lean in, to serve each other, to slow down just enough to enjoy the moment. In a world that moves fast, Paella insists on a different pace. And your visual nails it. March 27th is the correct and verified date for National Spanish Paella Day. No adjustment needed. So whether you're in Valencia, at a local Spanish restaurant, or recreating the experience at home, this is one of those rare food celebrations that feels bigger than the plate. In short, it's not just about eating like Spain, it's about experiencing it.